So if you have listed your real estate property on housing.com, from where you are getting lot of leads, and now you want to automatically send an email to the leads, then this video is for you, because here I'll show you how to send email to your real estate leads added to housing.com. So whenever a new real estate lead is captured via this housing.com, an automatic email will be sent to the very same lead via Gmail application. Want to learn how you can also start sending these emails to your new incoming leads? Well, come with me and I will show you everything step by step. Alright, so this is my housing.com application where I have listed my property, and whenever a new lead is arrived for my property, I want to instantly send an email to the very same lead. But to automate this whole email sending process, firstly I will have to build an integration, build a connection in housing.com and Gmail application, which I am going to do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow and provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. So I have directly pasted the name as send email to real estate leads added to housing.com. Now I will select the folder in which I want to create this automation workflow. Now simply clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so this is how you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever any new lead is arrived via housing.com application, then automatically send an email to the very same lead via Gmail application. Okay, so in this way I have selected both the applications in the trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is, firstly I will connect housing.com with Pabbly Connect and will capture all the lead data here, and then I will connect Pabbly Connect with the Gmail and will send an email. Okay, so let us first select the trigger event, of course that is new leads. Okay, you can also read the instructions, triggers when the new lead is captured. So yes, I want to perform the same, that whenever the new lead is arrived, this automation should trigger. Now here you can notice, after selecting the trigger event, it has provided me a webhook URL and a few set of instructions. Okay, so you will have to follow these instructions carefully. Basically with the help of this URL only we are going to build this connection. Okay, so you can also read this instruction. It is clearly written that once you have clicked on this capture webhook response button, then contact the support team so that webhook response is captured here when they set the webhook for you. Basically what will happen, when you will reach out to your account manager, they are going to set this webhook URL in your account, and once they set this URL, whenever the new lead is arrived, those leads will be captured automatically here as a webhook response. Okay, so give me few minutes, let me first generate these leads by contacting my account manager, and then I'll come back. So here you can notice the response is received, and I have collected only the basic details of the leads like the phone number, last name, first name and email. Okay, and you must be thinking that why this is a dummy data, the demo user dummy phone number. Well, my objective is just to show you how connections can be made or how automation can be created. So that is why I am going with the testing details only. In your case you must have the real lead data. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between housing.com and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, whenever a new lead is captured via housing.com, those lead details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I'm going to send an email to the very same lead. So the application is already selected. Now I'll select the action event as send email, clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, then clicking on this button, and then you will have to provide the access of your Gmail account. Okay, but because I have provided this access multiple times, okay, so I'm going to reuse those existing connection. Okay, clicking on save, and in this way it will be connected. And if you want, you can also go with the existing connection, but just make sure that you provide the access at least in the first time. Okay, so here you can notice it is asking me lot of details which are actually required for composing and sending an email. Okay, like firstly it is asking what should be the recipient email address. Okay, so I want to send an email to the lead generated via housing.com. Okay, so remember I have already captured the data as a response of my first step, and the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy this data and paste below again and again. Okay, I am going to map this data, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. So let me map the email address. Okay, now you must be thinking what is this mapping. Okay, so whatever the details I will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Okay, and whatever the details I will provide here manually will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values manually or via mapping. Asking for the CC BCC, which I am not going to fill. Asking for the sender name. Okay, so how about I add the name something like ANT real estate property, something like this. Okay, I hope it is looking good. Let me also first correct the spelling of the property. Now it is asking for the email subject line. So first of all, I want that the name of the lead should be added here automatically. So that is why again I will map the name. How? Click on this field and again you will find the data here in the drop down. Now I will add the first name, and now I'll give a space and will map the last name. In this way I have mapped the full name, and here in the subject line I will write something like thank you for showing interest in our property. Okay, I hope everything is looking good, and again I'm really sorry, let me correct the spelling. Okay, yes, it is looking good now, and the name of the user, the name of the lead will be replaced automatically, and this text will be same. Okay, now it is asking for the reply to the email content type and the email content. Okay, so currently again I am leaving this field blank, asking for the email content type. Okay, so if you are sending a basic email, you can actually go with the plain email only, but if you are sending an email along with some formatting like bold or some other details, in that case I would recommend you to go with HTML. Okay, so how about I show you that how formatting can also be applied on your email. Okay, so I have already prepared a nice email which I would like to send it to my lead. Okay, so first of all I will copy this email, and then I'll be clicking on this link, because here you can notice it is clearly written that you can create HTML content from here, and again a tutorial for the same is already provided here. Okay, so now you just need to paste your whole content. Okay, so I have pasted the content, and here I can do the formatting. So let's say I want this name of the user should be bold, so I have bolded. Okay, so give me a second, why it is not taking the values. Alright, so I will be pasting the content here, and now I want the name of the lead should be bold, so I have done that. And here also I want all three details to be bold. Okay, so I have done that, and as soon as I am adding the formatting here, the coding is getting changed automatically. And now finally I will copy this particular code and paste here. Okay, paste in my Pabbly Connect dashboard. Okay, but again give me a second, I'll have to make sure that these extra spaces should also be added with the coding in the coding. Okay, so that is why I'm pressing enter once again. Okay, I hope everything is looking good. Give me a second, let me first correct the formatting for this whole email content. Okay, so I think I have done a lot of things. Let me click on this thanks. Okay, now finally I will copy this coding, coming back here, and because I have already selected the content type as HTML, so yes, I can add the HTML content for my email content. Okay, and now I'll show you how I will replace the name of the lead. Okay, so after this hello, I want that the name of the lead should appear. So again I will add the first name, and now I'll give a space and will also map the last name. Further, I want that the details should appear here, like in front of name. Again the name should appear, so I will do it once again, demo, giving a space, and once again I will map the last name, asking for the your email. Okay, so again after the semicolon I am going to map this email address, and lastly I will also map the phone number of the person. Okay, so in this way whatever the details we have provided manually will remain same, and these details will be changed automatically as soon as a new lead is arrived in our housing.com application. Okay, so I think I have provided all the important, the necessary details here. Now I'll click on this button and you will notice that an email will be sent automatically on my Gmail account, basically to the user, to the lead who has just submitted his content. Okay, so give me a minute. Alright, so here you can notice the email is arrived and the subject line is also same, that is demo user, thank you for showing interest in our property. And this is the same email along with all the formatting, along with all the extra spaces and enter, and even the bold is there. Okay, let us read this email. Hello demo user, thank you for showing interest in our property. We have received your details, your name, your email, your phone number. You will receive a call from one of our real estate agent in next few hours. For any queries, call us at this number. Thanks, A&T Real Estate Property. Okay, so did you notice that how an automated email has been sent to the very same person who has shared his detail on housing.com. Okay, so in this way you can automate the process of sending the email to your new leads, okay, with the help of Pabbly Connect. And you just need to create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.